Good day everyone, welcome to Hajjady math class. Today I'll be taking you down the laws of logarithm. Okay, the laws of logarithm of numbers will be explained today. Before we proceed, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Now, when we talk about logarithm of numbers, take for instance you are given log a base b. Okay, here you will agree with me that this a is called the number of the logarithm. Okay, this is the number of the logarithm, and this is the base of the logarithm. Okay, most importantly, if the base of logarithm is not given to you in any question, you assume that it is in base 10. Okay, we always assume that it is in base 10. So with this, I'm going to take you down the laws of logarithm. The first on the list is when you have log of numbers, we have log a plus log b. Okay, mathematically speaking, we assume that these are having the same base, which is base 10. Okay, so with this, we are having log of numbers in the same base to be a times b. Okay, in this we have a multiplication law whereby if you want to combine these two logarithms, provided they are having the same base, the addition sign will turn to what? Multiplication. So example to illustrate that is when we have log 2 plus log 3, combining this we have what? Log 2 times 3, which is equivalent to log 6. I hope that is clear. Now, secondly, on this, what? Log a divided by b, that is the minus sign turns to what? Division. Okay. Thirdly, when we have log of number, say we have a raised to power c base b. In this case, it is the log of the number that is having the exponent. Okay, in this case, this is the same as saying the exponent will come to the back here. We have c log a base b. The only thing you just have to do is to bring the exponent to the back. The fourth one is when we have log of number a, where the base is having the exponent this time around. It is the base that is having the exponential form this time around. In this case, the exponent coming to the back will be in form of reciprocal. That is, this will be 1 over c log a base b. You can see the difference. In this case, it came to the back, but in this case, it is going to be in form of reciprocal. And the fifth law is when we have log a base a, whereby the log of the number and the base are equal. Anytime you're having this, automatically it will be 1. That is, if you are giving log 2 base 2, this translates into what? 1. Okay. And lastly on this, which is the sixth law, is when we have log a base b equals x. In this case, the base will raise to the power of the value in the equation sign. That is, the log will go away. We have in a equals b raised to power x. So I want us to take note of this. In our next video, I'm going to give an example to illustrate this. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next class.